Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can print in vase mode, spiral vase in Bambu Studio. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to add a simple primitive shape onto my plate right here, and then I'm going to upscale it this way. Now from there to now print it onto the vase mode, you then want to navigate through the other section, and basically from here you then want to scroll down until you navigate through this special mode, and from here we have multiple options on our print, and under this option we have the spiral vase option. Now take note that when you enable this option right here, it will also configure other settings like your infill setting. So in here it will totally remove your infill density, so you have to keep that in mind. And basically it will allow us to also select the smooth spiral option. So in my case, I'll just select that. So if we click on the slice plate option, we now have successfully enabled the vase or the spiral vase in Bambu Studio. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.